Hi friends, I welcome you all at Crack Grade B. You are going to face this exam of FSSAI for the post of Assistant Manager, Central Food Safety Officer and Technical Officer, and functional knowledge is a part of your syllabus. So I have prepared some multiple choice questions from this functional knowledge, and these questions are very important because this functional knowledge is going to play a very major role in selection process because it's cover a very large portion of your syllabus. So let's see what types of questions we are going to face. Before moving ahead, I would like to inform you that we are providing FSSAI CFSO TO courses at ₹1699 and it includes the printed notes, video lecture and mock test, right? And if you want to purchase only printed notes, then you have to pay only ₹999. One more important information I want to share with you. The printed notes will be sent via courier only at your registered address, right? And if you want to purchase only test series, then you can purchase our test series at ₹299 only. For more updates, for more information, you can visit our website, that is www.crackgradeb.com, and by registering and subscribing our course, you can purchase our course. These are the features of our course, that is for Central Food Safety Officer, Technical Officer and Assistant Director. Under this part B, you are going to find that is Indian and International Food Laws, FSSAI role, function and initiative. Under this subject matter, you will find the principle of food preservation, processing and packaging. All these are the parts of our syllabus. Moreover, you are also get 10 computer-based tests and it should be included in the course, right? Sample you can see from descriptive part of this video, and we are sending this printed material at your registered address without charging any courier fees or courier charge. So these are our star performers which was selected in RBI Grade B 2020 exam. So what is our first question for today? The Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority Act passed by the Parliament in which of the following year? Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority Act. Your options are 1984, 1985, 1986 and 1987. You have to APD, I think you have heard about this word. So you have to identify that this authority was established under this Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority Act and in which year it was found, right? So friends, this Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority, which was established under this Agriculture and Food Processed Product Export Development Authority Act under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, it was established. Then the act which I have asked you in my question, Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority Act, it was passed in 1985 and it came into effect in 1986. So what was our question, friends? I have asked when it was passed. So our answer will be B. So that is B. It was passed in 1985. Now, the Coffee Board headquarters is located at which one of the following place? Your options are Chennai, Guwahati, Bengaluru or Kochi. The Coffee Board headquarters. So friends, its answer will be C. It is located at Bengaluru, Karnataka, right? One more information you can gather from here or take from here, that is Central Coffee Research Institute is located at Chikmagalur, Karnataka, right? So Coffee Board is located at Bengaluru, Karnataka. And third question is Export Council of India was established under which one of the following act? Export Council of India. Your options are the Bureau of Indian Standard Act 2016, Quality Control and Inspection Act 1963, the Marine Product Export Development Authority Act 1972 or Food Safety and Standard Act 2006. Export Council of India was established under which one of the following act? So friends, its answer will be B, that is Quality Control and Inspection Act 1963. So Export Inspection Council was established on 1st January 1964 under the Section 3 of Export Quality Control and Inspection Act 1963 in order to ensure sound development, export trade of India through quality control and inspection, and for matters connected, and its headquarters is located at New Delhi. Right. Now the fourth question, which one of the following standard is related to the competence of testing and calibration of the laboratory? These are the ISO standard. You know these standards very well, and you have to identify which one of the following standard is related to the competence of testing and calibration laboratory. Your options are ISO 14000, ISO IEC 17020, ISO IEC 17025 and ISO 9000. So you have to identify competence of testing and calibration laboratories. So friends, its answer will be C. Actually, this ISO IEC 17025 give the general requirement for the competence of testing and calibration laboratories is the main ISO standard used by the testing and calibration laboratories. Which of the following standard is related to the competence? Answer is C. Now, the fifth question, the Codex Alimentarius Commissions meet annually at which one of the following place or places? Your options are Washington and California, Geneva and Rome, Copenhagen and London, or Amsterdam or Bern. You have to identify the Codex Alimentarius Commission meet annually at which one of the following place. So its answer will be B. Actually, this Codex Alimentarius Commission meets annually, alternating between the headquarters of FAO and WHO. These are located at Rome and Geneva respectively. Right. So these meet annually. Recently they are meeting virtually due to this movement restricted by the corona. Then otherwise their practices are they meet alternatingly at the headquarters of FAO in Rome and WHO in Geneva. So answer will be B. Spelling is this one. So answer will be B. Now the sixth question, which one of the following committee is related to chemical, toxicological and other aspect of the contaminants and residue of veterinary drug in the food for human consumption? These all are the committees related to the Codex Alimentarius Commission. So you have to identify which one of the following is related to the chemical, toxicological and other aspect of contaminants residue of veterinary drugs. Your options are JEMARA, JMPR, JEMNU or JECFA. So friends, its answer will be JECFA. This joint FAO WHO Expert Committee on Food Additives established in 1955, and this is related to the chemical, toxicological and other aspect of contaminants residue of veterinary drug food for human consumption. So this Codex Committee on Food Additives, the Codex Committee on Contaminants in Food and the Codex Committee on Residue Veterinary, these all are the committees which work under this Codex Alimentarius Commission. Identify the food additives, contaminants and veterinary drugs residue that should be received priority evaluation and refer them to this JECFA committee. Right. So answer will be this one. Now the last question number 7. Which one of the following is a general subject committee under the Codex Alimentarius Commission? These are the committees which works under this Codex Alimentarius Commission. The first is Codex Committee on Food Labeling, Committee on Fats and Oils, Committee on Fish and Fishery Product, Committee on Fresh Fruits and Vegetables. Right. So friends, I have learned you that there are two committees, that is one is General Committee and the second one is the Commodity Committee. So you have to identify which committee is related to the General Subject Committee. Right. So its answer will be, friends, A. So these all are the general subject committee, and these all are the community committee, and amongst these committees related to the general subject committee. Now the last question for today, that is question number 8. Where is the head office of the MPEDA is located? Your options are Gandhinagar, Visakhapatnam, or Chennai, or Kochi. The headquarter of MPEDA. So friends, its answer will be D, that is Kochi. MPEDA head office is located at Kochi in Kerala, and apart from that, 9 regional divisions at various locations is also established under this MPEDA. So head office is located at Kochi. So friends, this was all from my side today. I will come up with more multiple choice question in my upcoming video. Till then, thank you and happy learning. पढ़ते रहिए, मेहनत करते रहिए.